Love, what's for dinner? Baby, I know it's tough. We need help urgently.
Anna, I'm sad and depressed. I feel ugly and deeply unhappy. I come home exhausted, and there's always so much work. My husband helps, but he's exhausted too.
I have a cleaning team that comes once a week. They're affordable and trustworthy.
But I can't afford it.
This company offers excellent service at great prices. They provide insurance coverage and bring peace of mind. Call Zenita Cleaning Services now and clean the stress out of your life.